The boys have a break every day during lunchtime, and there's a lot of opportunities. Obviously to rest, but there's chesed opportunities during the break. Fruit and vegetable packing that goes out as a Tomchei Shabbos type project. One day, another day there's Leman Achai. Guys collect food products which go to the poor people together with the Leman Achai chesed organization Ramat Beit Shemesh. There's opportunities to hang out with an autistic boy in the community whose parent needs help, to be with him. There's a lot of opportunities that happen during the break. Besides all the fun and the rest and the basketball games and using the weight room and using the music room, which is our obvious things, but there are also other opportunities. And obviously, there's always rebbeim in the Beis Medrash during the break to learn with guys also the chavruta, which is something special because usually the big shiurim, they're very nice, but the guys don't get the individual attention during the break. The rebbeim are there to give individual chavruta time and individual attention to the talmidim.